Yo guys, welcome back to the gang. It's your boy Tenensco, and in today's video, we'll be reviewing a very special pair.
Wow, nice suit. Zip it, Stanley.
So yes guys, you ready? Cause I'm ready. Here they go. Here they are. I know you like them. I know, I can tell you like them. So do I. You get what I'm saying? You know, I don't know why, yeah. You know this color pattern, yeah, I don't know why. I really don't know why. It gives me like 2006, 2008, 2010 vibes for some reason. I don't know why, you know. But that's the vibes I get. You know what I'm saying? I love the color pattern. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna stop saying, you know what I'm saying, okay? I love the color pattern. The gray here, the faded purple, you know what I'm saying? Damn! The faded purple that transitions gradually to blue. And the overall shoe is just whoa, like, how do I describe this? We got Nike ticks on both sides here and here. The thing continues all the way over here. Obviously, respectfully, the Nike tick, the logo of the Air Max Plus is here. And we've got another one here, right here. The outsole, real nice little pair, real lovely and all that. The insole, you can see it right here. Yup. That's basically what the inside looks like. I just love the blue and the way it is. Very nice. You see, I believe the Air Max Plus are amongst one of the most beautiful sneakers in the world. But yeah, let's try them on. Somebody just... You know what? They're actually so comfortable. They're much more comfortable than what you will think, what you will expect. You know what I'm saying? Ooh. I just love them. The way they look, so futuristic, but at the same time old school. And it's very, very comfortable. It's actually unbelievable how comfortable they are. Do you know what I mean? And I'm sure I'm wearing shorts right now, it looks good. And I'm sure it will look good on jeans and tracksuits, especially grey tracksuits. And even black tracksuits. But yeah, let's get a bit up close, personal. Yeah. It feels warm. The material is light. It feels like it's got cushions all over it. It feels like my feet are in a blanket, and that's the comfort levels in it. You know what I'm saying? But yeah guys, let me give this pair a mark. I'm gonna give this pair an 8. Was a Brighton on school, and I'm out. No explanation.